Jito just airdropped $10,000 worth of free tokens to eligible users, and MarginFi is rumored to be next. Similar to Jito, MarginFi will be rewarding early users during their initial token launch. So that means everyone who collected points on the platform will be airdropped potentially thousands of dollars of the new MarginFi token. And currently, MarginFi is climbing up the ranks, ranked number 3 in total value locked with close to 300 million total value locked under its protocol. And judging by this list, there are other protocols that are bound to gift airdrops as well, including Marinade, Camino, and Rift. So today I wanted to cover the MarginFi platform and how to use the various functions within the app, including lending, staking, swapping, and bridging, and how to accumulate more points in order to increase your chances of receiving this huge airdrop. There's a ton of speculation on Twitter when the airdrop will happen, so you definitely want to get in early. We have a lot to cover. Let's get started. So like I mentioned, MarginFi is ranked number 3 with close to 300 million total value locked under Solana. And to access the website, you're going to want to go to marginfi.com and hit launch app. And in order for this to work, you will need a compatible Solana wallet. I do recommend the Phantom wallet for all your Solana needs. So Phantom is very comparable to MetaMask. Once you install it, you will have the wallet extension on your top right corner. I do recommend sending some Solana into your wallet from your favorite broker. So once you're inside the website, just go ahead and sign in with your Phantom wallet, click sign in and approve the connection. This would automatically sign you into the website. And like I mentioned, make sure you have some Solana available in your wallet. So some of you may be wondering, what is an airdrop? So platforms like to reward early users for participating in their platform. So for being an early adopter, you will receive a gift during the initial token launch. And most of these DeFi applications work off of a point system. So the more points you rack up, the higher your airdrop will be. The goal is to rack up more points so you receive a bigger airdrop. With that being said, you want to interact with the app the most you can so you can increase your points along the way. So the first thing is first, you can lend your Solana tokens or other Solana ecosystem tokens in here. So the easiest coin you can lend would be native Solana. And for lending Solana here, you would earn 2% APY. So all you would do is click on supply here and enter the amount of Solana you would like to lend. So if you want to increase your chances of receiving a bigger airdrop, you want to increase the amount you are lending. Then you hit supply, it gives you this pop-up window. Would you like to stake instead? We'll move on to staking after. Let's hit no thanks. Now on here, it would ask you to confirm the transaction. Go ahead and confirm that. There are other tokens you can lend also, such as USDC Solana version. For lending that, you will receive 5% APY. So as you can see, I don't have any USDC in my wallet yet, but the cool thing is MarginFi has a built-in DEX. So we go over to swap here. And for our Solana, we can swap some for USDC. So let's go ahead and hit 1. So the conversion rate here would be 1 Solana would net me 72.85 USDC at the current market price. You would hit swap and confirm the transaction and approve that in your wallet. So that's how you're able to get some USDC into your wallet, and you can begin supplying USDC there. And don't forget to supply here once you have the USDC. You also have some Jito Sol token you can also lend. This would net you 0.13% APY. So a lot of people were depositing this Jito Sol for the previous Jito airdrop. And again, you can get some native Jito Sol by searching for Jito Sol under the swap section. And here again, you can trade your Sol for Jito Sol. If you've previously used the Jito platform, their native staking token is Jito Sol. So if you were to stake your Solana through Jito, you would receive the Jito Sol token. So that Jito Sol you have there is the same type of Jito Sol across the ecosystem, so you can again lend this here to rack up more points. And we also have everyone's favorite Solana meme coin, Bonk, and you can also deposit some Bonk to increase your point rewards. So the next function we can use is the staking section. So for staking your Sol token, you will receive the LST token. LST means liquid staking token. So for staking your Solana currently, you will net 7% APY in the LST token. For example, if I hit 1 here and hit mint, go ahead and ask you to approve the transaction and go ahead and hit confirm. And from there, you will begin staking your Solana for some LST token. Like I mentioned, if you want to increase your potential airdrop payout, definitely stake a larger amount of Solana tokens. Next thing you want to do is use the swap function. So convert some Solana into other tokens such as USDC or some Bonk or even some Giro. So this would again net you more points under your account. Next up, we have Bridge. So with bridging, you can do cross-chain transfers from different blockchains into Solana. For example, you can convert Ethereum, ETH into Sol on Solana. You can swap some AVAX on Avalanche for some Solana. We even have Ethereum Arbitrum version, which we can also swap for Solana. So there's a ton of different varieties you can swap for. So have fun making a few swaps. The point here is to rack up your points. Don't forget to connect your other wallet. If you have MetaMask, you will have to connect the MetaMask wallet here to do a cross-chain transfer. This section here is your leaderboard. So this is where your points are shown and your points are updated daily. So how do points work? We click on this article here. So an important point here, every dollar lent earns 1 point per day. The more you lend, the more points you earn. The longer you lend, the more points you earn. Pretty straightforward. And if you refer MarginFi to other users, you do collect more points. And on this leaderboard, we have the top ranking wallets with the most points. So here you can see how you stack up versus others. And lastly, we have the Omni section. Omni is an AI powered chat box. And on here, you can ask it a variety of questions similar to ChatGPT, and it would give you a response. So definitely interact with this chat box so you can increase your chances of getting an airdrop. So stay tuned for my other videos where I will be covering other upcoming airdrops, including Marinade, Camino, and Drift. And you can stay up to date with everything MarginFi related on their official Twitter page at MarginFi. So happy farming. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.